For the past 10 days, I've not been updating my YouTube videos simply because I was not feeling well. Trust me, I was very seriously sick, and I just wanted to keep you guys updated. That's why I decided to come out with this video. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process how you can join brands on Impact Radios. This one, trust me, I'm not going to leave any stone unturned, because I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step how I join brands on Impact Radios, and how I write to them. And I think this is just a reply to some of the your comments in the comment section. So guys, stick with me, and my name is Richmond. You're welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, drop shipping and servicing, and anything related to how to make money online. So if you're somebody who is new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video like what you're about to watch, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. So without further ado, let's dive into today's method. So on the dashboard of my Impact Radios, these are the basic things that most people do, and it makes the brands reject their proposals. So as you can see over here, we have brands to work with instantly. That means these brands are brands that are ready to work with anybody at all, no matter whom you are, whether you just joined or you are an old member of Impact Radio. So you can click on view all to view all these brands, and they are going with this you'll be able to get to know this kind of brand that you can work with them. And we have find brands to promote. This means that these brands are not brands like this. These brands are ready to join. They will give you approval instantly. Yes, they will approve your proposals instantly. Within 24 hours they can approve you. But with these brands over here, you need to have some level of you need to reach some level before, because whilst you are creating your account, they give you a percentage of your account. So you just have to fill in all the details that they ask you when you are creating your account. And if you haven't done that, you need to go back and do it very well, because with that's how you'll be able to get your proposals accepted with all these kind of brands that you want to join. So without wasting much of your time, when you are new to this Impact Radios dashboard, this is how yours is going to show 0000, because if you are new and you haven't created any account, yours is going to show 0000, and that is because you haven't joined anything and you haven't made anything so far. And this is not my only payment that I've received. When I click on balance over here, you're gonna see that I've withdrawn a lot of money, I think twice on this platform. Yes, and I've scheduled mine to the 15th of every month. So when it get to every 15th of every month, my money just get auto withdrawn to my account. Yes, so yours is going to show 0. And the reason why today I want you to stay focused to whatever I'm going to tell you in this video is that most of you just go out there and then hit on join now, or yes, join, and when you hit on that, you don't take any action again. That's why most of your proposals are being rejected. So let's wait for you to load. So take this advantage to like the video and comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you guys. Okay, as you can see over here, I've withdrawn twice from this platform to my bank account. So as you can see, bank transfer. This was 15th of August 2023, and then 14th of September this month 2023. Yes, so that is it. So let me take you quickly to today's video. Okay, so I'll hit on brands. If you are new, this is how we join brands. Hit on brands over here, the drop down menu, and then it will bring down an option that contains find brands, my brands, invite, and proposals. What all this means is that these proposals are the brands that you've sent proposals to, and then find brands are brands that you are willing they are willing to get people to promote their offers. So all the brands that you need to join or you want to join are available over here, and my brands are brands that have accepted your proposals. And when they get to know some brands, when they get to know that you are performing well on this platform, they will send you an invite. And I've received several invites, and sometimes I reject some of them because I don't think that's going to help me in the nearby future. So I'll hit on find brands because that's the main reason why we are here today. So I'll hit on that. Okay, so on this brand aspect, all you need to do is to walk through and find a brand that you want to promote. And before I will take you straight to this place, I want to show you certain things over here that you need to know before you try to join these brands. Number one talks about the categories. Categories is talking about the niches that is available on this platform, and you can go through it because every body is having a specific niche that he or she is expert or has the chance or probability of getting winning more customers to. Yes, and every country is having a specific niche that when you try to promote, most people are going to like, because in Africa, when you try to promote certain things like games, you are going to run at loss because most people don't like playing games. And when you try to promote games in United States, that means they have the money to purchase all those games. So that means you are going to get a lot of people to purchase your product. So these are the brands over there, and depending on your YouTube channel or anything, or depending on your blog, you can go through this and choose a niche that you want to promote. Yes, and right after this side, you come to what is called relationship. Relationship talks about were you invited, do you applied, and then the brands that you've joined and the brands you have not accepted, you have not applied so far, and then the pre-qualified. When you talk of the pre-qualified, that's what I showed you earlier on, that those brands are ready to approve you instantly after you try to join them. Yes, so you move straight to this place where it says payment model. We have call duration over there. We have call ring, call conservation, and online lead. That's what I sometimes go for. Online sale, these two are very good. Online downloads. So all these things are also there. And then we have features. Features is also there. That talks about the trademarks and all those things. What the brands talks about, the features that those brands have. Some of them doesn't have deep linking. When you talk of deep linking, it's like when somebody clicks on your link or somebody shares your post to another website, or when somebody copy your link and take it to another website, when the brands decide to pay you through a deep linking, that means they are going to track that record until they are going to track it and pay you when somebody purchases it from that link. And most brands doesn't allow deep linking, so when you are trying to promote, you need to read all these things and get to know it better before you try to promote, so that you don't record clicks without payment. And you have service areas that talks about the places where you need to promote all these brands and the rest. And you have the asset types, and then we have coupon, the email, the sponsored text, and then so far any all those things. So first of all, what are we going to do right now? We are going to apply to a certain brands. So okay, let's work with constant contact. If you are somebody who wants to join brands on Impact, most of you will come to the platform and then hit on apply, just apply, and you go your way. That's not the best way to apply to brands on Impact. Whilst you hit on apply, type in something. Okay, so you type in a certain thing like this, and then you hit on apply. Okay, so it goes this way. My name is Richmond and I wish to promote your product. If you give me the access to your affiliate program, very simple, and hit on apply. Right after doing that, you're going to see that your application is pending review. It's not, we are not done with that. It's going to move from this place, and what you're going to do right now is that we need to go to where it says applied and continue from there. So guys, if you're loving what I'm showing you right now, consider to subscribe to the channel, like the video as well, and turn on notification bell so that you get updated always. Okay, so now we have to moving to part 2. When you come to this section, all you need to do is to hit on the banner icon of the brands that you want to promote, and you see this email aspect over here. You hit on that, and you're going to see what is called send mail over here, and you're going to type in a nice email to these people. What most people do is that they go to ChatGPT and generate an email to these people. You're going to be blocked because the system is very detective. They will be able to know that those articles or those email messages were not generated from you personally. You just copied it from some place to them. So type in the email that you can, and with that they are going to contact chat with you, and you are going to get approved by these brands. So quickly, let me show you how we can do this. Okay, so this is what I did. So I've made so far. As you can see, the subject title is request to join constant contact, because this thing must contain the brand that you want to promote, their name. So request to join. If you like, if it's like you want to promote Bluehost, request to join Bluehost, And right after doing that, you come to this section where it says your subject message, type in hi, anything that you wish you can type. And right after that, you can go through this, pause the video and go through it. If it makes sense to you, you can copy it and replicate the same thing or change it in some way. This is just a sample of what you need to tell them. And right after that, you hit on send email, and they are going to receive this email attached to what you send them the first part of the video. So right after doing this, it's going to take about 24 hours for them to reply to you. And when they reject your proposal, keep on trying, and one day they will accept it. That's how everything works on Impact. And it's not like it's very simple. We all get rejected. Our applications get rejected, but sometimes we force them, we resend them email, we send them emails, and when it finds a place in their heart, they accept our proposals. That's how everything works. So guys, this is the basic thing that you need to know about how joining brands on Impact. So like I said, I don't want this video to be long, but it's 18 minutes now, and I like to end the video right here because I need to go for my medication. And see you in my next video. Until I see you in my next video, go out there, replicate what I showed you in the video, and I know success will find you. Until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now. Stay safe and see you next time. Goodbye.